The turning and repositioning sheet aids caregivers in many ways, including turning, repositioning, laterally transferring, changing bed linens, and weighing a person who needs to remain supine. The sling or sheet must be placed under the person, either by log rolling the person or by placing it on the person's bed while the person is not in bed. Raise the bed rails on the side you will be turning the person towards. Remove the two hanger bars from the hanger assembly located at the end of the lift boom. Turn the hanger assembly so that it is parallel with the sides of the bed. To turn the person, find the straps on the side of the sheet opposite the direction you're turning them. Attach the loops on the straps closest to the head of the bed to the hook near the head, and attach the loops on the straps closest to the foot of the bed to the hook near the foot. Make sure to use at least 4 straps to provide support for the shoulders, torso, and hip area during the turning process. Raise the person slightly. Once there is tension on the loops, pause lifting and double check to make sure the loops are seated in the hooks. Important: always watch the movement of the person to ensure they are not in danger of rolling into the side rail or out of bed. Using the lift controls, lift the boom so that the person is turned to the desired degree, and insert wedges or pillows under the person to position the person as desired. Lower the lift boom to release the tension in the sheet and unhook the loops from the hanger assembly.